Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable comments on your TikTok live. So again, press the plus button here and you are going to then go to live. If this would load. Okay, then you're just going to go to settings and you are going to go to comment settings. You are then just going to select the green kind of slider to the left, and now you can't, and now your comments are disabled on your TikTok live and people can't comment on your TikTok live. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!